Hello, I would like to review a couple arithmetic problems with you. So the first one is to add two fractions. Now, how do we add two fractions? We will have to have a so-called common denominator. So in this case, you do see that 3 and 9, they're not the same. So we need to make it a common denominator, and we do see that 9 is equal to 3 times 3, and here I have only one 3 in my first fraction, so therefore I'm gonna create multiply by 1, right? 3 over 3 is just 1, and but why I don't multiply 4 over 4, because I see that I just need to multiply this by 3, then I get to 9. So that's why I multiply 3 over 3, because I want a common denominator. So once you have that, you have 3 over 9 from the first one, numerator multiply together, denominator multiplies together. So plus 1/9. Because I have two fractions, they share the same denominator, I now can add the numerator. Don't add the denominator, just keep the denominator the same. So this is how I would add two fractions. Now the second one is to basically it is checking the grouping symbol, the order of operation. Okay, so if you use your calculator, make sure that when you type in -3.2, it should be grouped by a parenthesis of by pair of parentheses before you square it. One common mistake that I usually see is student type in -3.2 and then square, which will be a negative number. But actually, because the square is outside the parentheses, what this does is you're going to multiply -3.2 twice, and if you multiply -3.2 twice, it turn out to be a positive number. So let's do this one. So it's going to be -3.2 times -3.2. Use grouping symbol in your calculator, or you just simply type in -3.2, the quantity, the parentheses, and then square in your calculator. Now 0.6 plus 0.4 is just simply just 1. So this is the same as 3.2 times 3.2, because there are two negative signs, will turn out to be positive sign. So after 3.2 times 3.2, it should be 10.24. So this is all about the order of operation. Please ask if you have questions.